Good morning, everyone. Today we've learned about code switching, a common practice in multilingual communication. Now, let's open the floor for some questions. Who would like to start?
Hi, Professor. Can you explain what code switching is in simple terms?
Absolutely. Code switching is when someone switches between two or more languages or dialects in a single conversation. For example, a bilingual person might start a sentence in English and then use a Spanish word or phrase. It often happens naturally when people are comfortable with both languages.
Why do people code switch? Is it just to show off their language skills?
Great question. People code switch for many reasons, not just to show off. It can help express ideas better when one language has a more fitting word or phrase. It's also common in communities where multiple languages are spoken, to connect with others or reflect cultural identity. Sometimes, it's just easier or more natural in the moment.
Does code switching only happen with languages, or can it involve other things?
Code switching usually involves languages or dialects, but it can also include switching between different styles of speaking, like formal and informal speech. For example, you might use professional language in a meeting but switch to casual slang with friends. The key is adapting your speech to fit the context or audience.
Professor, is code switching a sign of not knowing a language well?
Not at all. Code switching is often a sign of strong language skills because it shows you can move smoothly between languages. It's common among fluent bilingual or multilingual speakers who use both languages creatively to communicate. It's more about flexibility than a lack of knowledge.
Hi, Professor. Can code switching cause any problems in communication?
Sometimes, yes. If someone in the conversation doesn't understand one of the languages, they might feel left out or confused. Also, in formal settings, code switching might be seen as inappropriate if it doesn't match the expected tone. But in most cases, it's a natural and effective way to communicate, especially in multilingual communities. Thank you for your great questions. Code switching is a powerful tool in language learning and communication. Keep observing how people use it in daily life. It will help you become more aware of how language works in real situations.
After watching the video, answer the following questions. Question 1. What are some personal experiences you have had with code switching in your own conversations? Question 2. How do you think code switching affects relationships within multilingual communities? Question 3. In what situations do you think code switching is most beneficial, and why? Question 4. What challenges do you think individuals face when code switching in formal settings? Question 5. How can educators incorporate the concept of code switching into language learning curricula? Question 6. What do you think the future of code switching looks like in an increasingly globalized world?
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.